Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a warm up cinematic color grading in CapCut. First, you need to just add your clips and then go to adjust. Now follow this setting. So for the brightness, lower it to -17, contrast -5. Then set the saturation to 10 and lower the exposure to -25. Then increase the sharpness of the video to 30. Okay, now click on the HSL on the orange color. Set the hue to -10. Okay. And then the saturation 5, luminance 3. Click on the yellow color, set the hue to -10, the saturation to -20, then the luminance -10. Click on the green, set the hue to -70 and the saturation -20. Now click on the light blue and set the saturations to -10. Click on the blue color, set the hue to -20 and then the saturation -25. Okay, go back and then click on grabs and follow this curve that I'll show you. So on the white color, use the S curve. And then on the red color, okay, on the green, like this, and lastly on the blue one. Okay, now you are done. Just click on a check icon and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button. Bye.